professional website developer with over 7 years of experience in bringing digital visions to life. Are you looking for a stunning and professional website that stands out well and performs flawlessly on all devices? Congratulations, you are on the right place. From sleek and modern designs to fully customized features, I craft websites that are visually appealing, mobile-friendly, and SEO optimized for all platforms. My process is very collaborative and transparent. I work closely with you from concept to launch to ensure your website is perfectly aligned with your brand and goals. My clients love my dedication, my work, creativity, and attention to detail, and especially they love my support for future. Whether you need a personal blog, a business website, a non-profit website, and full-fledged e-commerce platform, I'm here to help you to get succeed. Let's work together to create a digital experience that leaves a lasting impression. Check out my profile, and if you have any question, any queries, or you want to represent your idea and you need a meeting for that, drop me a message. I'm always available for you. I can't wait to bring your vision into life. Good luck. Thank you.